I sold 50 cakes like this in just one day. This lemon cake is super soft and delicious. It's quick and easy, impossible to resist. Your family will love this recipe. Start by adding 3 eggs to the blender. Next, add half a cup of lemon juice. Then half a cup of oil. Remember, my cup is 240 milliliters. After that, add a cup of milk. Next, add a cup and a half of sugar. Then cover the blender and let it blend for approximately 2 minutes. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, transfer this mixture to a larger bowl. Right after, gradually add 2 cups of wheat flour and mix very well until completely dissolved. And already tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Next, add a spoonful of baking powder. Mix until completely dissolved. When you reach this point, it's perfect. Now, transfer this batter to a pan greased with margarine and flour. After finishing this step, put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the topping. Add a small can of condensed milk into a bowl. Then, add the juice of 1 lemon. Next, mix these ingredients very well. This recipe is an excellent option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. At this point, it's perfect. Now set aside. Our lemon cake is already baked, folks. Now just turn it onto a plate and check the result better. Add all the frosting we just prepared. Then spread it with a spatula. Whenever I make this recipe at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your house, I'm sure it will be no different. Finish with lemon zest. Now just take a piece and check the results. If you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe to impress everyone, you just found it, so save it so you don't lose it. And look at how amazing this result is. Simply wonderful. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it, and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until now, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what score does this lemon cake deserve? Now, I'll leave you here. A big hug, and see you in the next video.